5 ways to choose the right commercial roofing system for your building, coming up next.
Number 1, building requirements. Evaluate the specific needs for your commercial building, including its size, shape, and usage. Consider factors such as foot traffic, equipment installations, and HVAC systems that may impact the roof. Number 2, material selection. Research different roofing materials and their performance characteristics. Common options include single-ply membranes, built-up roofing, modified bitumen, metal roofing, and green roofing systems. Number 3, energy efficiency. Prioritize energy-efficient roofing systems that can help reduce heating and cooling costs for your commercial building. Look for materials with high thermal resistance and reflective properties to minimize heat absorption. Number 4, life cycle cost. Evaluate the life cycle cost of different roofing systems, including installation, maintenance, and repairs over time. While upfront costs are important, consider the long-term value and potential savings associated with high-quality materials and proper maintenance. Number 5, expertise. Work with experienced roofing contractors or consultants who have expertise in commercial roofing systems. Seek recommendations, review portfolios, and request references from previous projects. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for videos just like this one.